The Out Modifier. The Out Modifier serves a similar purpose as the Ref modifier, but with a few distinctions. It doesn't require a value to be assigned before being passed into the function, and it must have a value assigned before being returned from the function. The Out modifier is commonly used when a method needs to return multiple values. Okay, let's create an example just so we can see how it works in the real life. We'll create a variable array of integers and call that variable numbers. And they will be from 1 to 5. That will be enough. Now let's create two variables, even sum and odd sum. Let's create a function void calculate sum. We'll pass into this function int array of integers, out int even total, out int odd total. So let's take the even total variable and set it to 0 by default. Odd total, we will set them by default as 2 zeros. And now for each, I'll create a loop. I'll be iterating through array, and each of the number, I will call it number, so that will be easier to understand. And for each of the number, I'll be checking if number can be divided by 2 without a remainder. And if that's true, then I'll be even total plus number. I want to add to the total of even numbers in our example. Else, if it's not true, then it's an odd number. So we do odd total equals odd total plus number. Okay, and now let's call that function that we created. Calculate sum. We can actually do it static because we're not going to instantiate it. Static void. Okay, now we call that function calculate sum. We're passing the numbers variable into this function. We're passing even sum into this function with the keyword out. And we're passing the out odd sum. And let's see what's going on. Let's console out both even and odd numbers. Even number summary. And we will create and we will pass into that variable simply the total even sum. And let's do it for odd number again. I'll just copy that and paste it. Odd number summary. Odd number, odd sum. Okay, let's go and run our program. Okay, now we get even number summary 6 and odd number summary 9. How it happened? So I'm explaining. So we created int array of integers. I'll run it again to explain you why it is this way. We check in the even numbers. What is the first element of the array is even? No, it's odd. Is the second element of the array is even? Yes, that's true. Even? No. Even? Yes. Even? No. Okay, so we take 2 and 4. Those are the two numbers that are even. And we're summing them up. 2 plus 4 equals 6. And odd numbers, there are 1, 3, and 5. If we sum them up, it will be 9. This is exactly what we have. That's how you can use out modifier to create a function, pass into that function arguments, and get a result.